Hello family, it's Misty and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I'm going to share with you guys my very first time saving corn seeds. This is sweet corn that I grew in my garden this summer. Basically what I did was I harvested majority of the corn and I left about 8 to 10 cobs on the stalk. I let the stalk dry out, let the corn dry out, and then eventually the husks turned brown. The silks turned all the way brown and it just completely died and dried out. The kernels, as you can see, have dried out and they're just like a dark yellow color and they're very hard, just like when you buy popcorn at the store. And basically what I'm going to do is take the kernels off the cob like so. It comes off pretty easy. Once you get it started, you can just go around the cob and it comes off fairly easy. That's exactly how it looks right there. Taking the seeds off of here. Just go around. And just like when you buy seeds at the store, some of these kernels might not germinate for you and make another corn stalk, but that's okay. Some of them will. So when you plant, just make sure you always plant more than you're going to need in your garden so you can eliminate that problem and you'll always have, you know, a healthy variety to pick from when it comes to what you're going to keep when you're planting. I'm not going to bore you guys with taking all the kernel seeds off of here. So I'll get back with you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I've done a couple cobs. And I have several corn seeds here. I have an empty little cob, so you get the idea. I am going to store these in a dry, cool place. You can use brown paper bag, an envelope like me. It really doesn't matter as long as it's a cool, dry place. I wrote the name on it, sweet corn, and how many days it takes to germinate. These took 75 to 85 days to germinate till I was able to harvest. So basically, I'm just going to put these in an envelope. Also, I'm going to do a little experiment before I put all these up. I have some moist soil right here that I am going to plant a couple seeds in just to make sure that I saved some healthy seeds. So I have a couple of, let me get some big kernels here. I have 4 nice big kernels that I'm going to plant inside the dirt here. And okay, I'm sticking them about a 1/2 inch down in the soil with the end part pointing down. It really doesn't matter. You can put it in there anyway, but I always look at the seed, and whatever seed has the end pointing down, that's the part I stick in the soil because that's where the root grows from. So like I said, I stuck them down about a 1/2 inch in the soil, and moist soil, make sure it's moistened. And I'm going to put a little plastic bag over it just to give it a little greenhouse effect. And I'm going to do a video for you guys to let you guys know if I successfully saved healthy corn seeds. Hopefully in 2 or 3 days, one of these seeds or all 4 of these seeds will germinate and let me know if I have successfully saved some healthy corn seeds so I won't have to buy any more at the store. That would be so great. Catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.